Today I'm showing you how to split a video on TikTok on your Android device. Let's get started. What is splitting? Splitting allows you to cut one video into two or more clips and remove unwanted parts from the middle of a video. Step 1. Record or upload video. Open TikTok and either record a new video or upload one from your gallery. Step 2. Access Adjust Clips. After recording or uploading, tap Adjust Clips in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Open Edit Mode. You'll see your video timeline at the bottom. Tap on the uploaded video clip. Step 4. Position Split Point. Use your finger to drag the white vertical line along the timeline to the exact point where you want to split the video. Step 5. Check Timecode. At the top left of the timeline, you can see the exact timecode showing where the video will be split. Step 6. Split Video. Once the line is positioned correctly, tap Split at the bottom. Your video is now cut into two separate clips. Step 7. View Split Clips. The timeline shows both clips separately. Tap on the first clip to select it, or tap the second clip to work with that section. Step 8. Split More Optional. To split the video further, move the white line to another position and tap Split again. You can create multiple clips this way. Step 9. Trim Clips. Select any clip and drag the edges left or right to shorten or lengthen that specific section. Step 10. Delete Unwanted Clips. To delete a clip you don't want, select it and tap the Delete icon. Step 11. Save Changes. Once you're satisfied with your splits and edits, tap Save in the top right corner to apply all changes. And that's it. You've successfully split a video on TikTok on your Android device using the Editing Studio.